Yo guys, it's me, your boy, Mickey Boy. We're now here at Chinatown, KL. Let's go in to go to the new bar called RIMBAR KL. To go there, we need to go inside Cafe ETC and go up to the first floor. Let's go! It's Malaysia's first ever camping themed bar. And it's a new bar by the owners of the Attic Bar, which is also in Chinatown and one of the top 50 bars in KL. Well, air-conditioned, quite spacious. Great crisp sounds, although you need to be there to experience it. Extensive drink menu ranging from highballs, RIMBAR signature cocktails, classic cocktails, spirits, bitters, Asian alcohol like soju, shooters, beers and wine, and more, all in competitive prices.
For the cocktail.
Yeah, and the hammock. For the cocktail, you can try for the hammock and the tar.
10. Can I try 10? Alright.
They also have a small but rather diverse food menu, including s'mores.
One touch back. Oh my days. Look at that cheese.
I guess it always lucky because people have this misconception about the United States. You know, people think everybody's rich.
On this night, I hosted my usual meetup event. I host socializing events within Malaysia, like group dinners, chilling at cafe or bars, and activities like hiking and bouldering.
Watching the game.
If you want to join and meet new friends, kindly check the description for more details. RIMBAR time.
Thank you, Buddha.
Let's check inside of the tent. Very reminiscent of actual camping. And finally, my thoughts. Absolutely wonderful vibes. but more tent-like decorations or structures would be great. And a mocktail menu would be actually nice for patrons who can't drink alcohol. And if you can actually grill s'mores outside, that would be fantastic. Sadly, it's past 2 a.m. Sunday early morning. But of course, we'll definitely come back. That's it for me, your boy Mickey Boy, and that was RIMBAR KL. To learn more about their menu, kindly visit their website. Go try them out and serve your seats through the number stated here. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.